like that, to be so successful and to grow into a global company, needs to have technology in order to manage such a large amount of inventory and to be able to track its inventory across various locations around the world and in Asia, so that they can be cost effective in supplying all these small parts to many of their multinational customers. So over here is an example of Bossard Products, right? And you can see that they are, small little items that generally companies will not keep track of, but nonetheless they are very important, because without a screw, you cannot actually fasten your product together. So they are small and inexpensive product, but they are essential to assembling the final product. So in a model like this, it is challenging for Bossard Asia. There are several reasons for this. One is, of course, that you have many small local Asian suppliers which may not be technology savvy. They may not have enough cash flow also to be able to sustain the long accounts receivable, or the long payment terms that the multinational buyers may need. Typically, let's say 2-3 months of payment terms. So Bossard needs to hold inventory on behalf of their large customers and then to supply the inventory to the large customers. There are a couple of things that they actually did to try to improve this process. The first one is that they introduced this smart bin concept. So what's a smart bin? The smart bin is basically a bin that they created to be put on top of a weighing scale, and this weighing scale is linked to the internet. So each bin carries one screw. So with the weight as a proxy for inventory levels, they can then use this weight information to manage the inventory of the screws. We know that there are millions of screws that they have to manage, so it is impossible to physically count how many screws are there. So a device like this basically is an IoT device of an array of many screws within a manufacturing location. Helps them to manage each part number of the screw in a cost-effective way by using an automated system. So over here, we can see actually an example of Bossard implementation of the smart bin in the Makino Asia factory.